Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Make sure you stay till the end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. And we're gonna go out to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So check it out. For Appies with Chappy by the lake, this lake here, Lake Okanagan, we're gonna do some smoked boneless chicken wings. First up, I'm gonna make a drink. I'm just gonna do a non-alcoholic drink today. I'm getting this from my Bartender's Guide by John K. Waters. So this is a nice drink for the kiddies. I'm just going to build it in my hurricane glass here. A little bit of ice. And this is simply called a Lemony Apple. So we'll go 3 ounces of apple juice. And 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. An ounce of Grenadine. That's going to give it a nice color. Like a red apple, I guess. And then we're just going to finish it off with ginger ale. And then I got a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Lemony Apple to go with my smoked boneless chicken wings. See here how I made them. All right, these are my smoked boneless chicken wings for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. All right, so I'm going to start by cutting them in half. All right, so I have my rack for my smoker, and I just gave it a little shot of Pam there. So now we're gonna try to form the boneless, skinless chicken thighs to make it look like a chicken winglet. No bueno. Looks more like sushi than a chicken wing right now. All right, maybe I'll just give it another spritz of Pam there. And I'm gonna season them. I just got some famous Dave's Steak and Burger original famous blend seasoning. I'm gonna brush some Bullseye Steakhouse barbecue sauce on them. All right, now I just have to decide what type of wood I want to smoke this with. And I'm going to get that into my Bradley smoker. And I'll probably do about 300 degrees for an hour. I'm not really looking for juicy meat here. I just want it to get sort of crispy in form so it looks like a chicken wing. If chicken thighs are a little dry, they're still delicious. You get that sort of fried chicken type flavor. So let's get these in the smoker. All right, I chose my wood. So this is a new product from Bradley. It says premium. So it's a Caribbean blend. So let's just see what it says here. It says, bring some of those island flavors you love to the next smoked meal. Allspice, a Caribbean staple, has flavors similar to cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and pepper. When paired with mesquite, you can be sure to make some authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Also pairs well with beef, game, lamb, and vegetables. So that was the Caribbean blend we're going to use today. It just comes in... It just comes in these little pucks here, and we load them up, and we can see the smoke's already billowing out, so I got it all heated up, and we're just gonna let it get up to 300 degrees. All right, we're basically just gonna smoke them till they're cooked inside. So make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. So we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.